Alright, well, if it hits, you need me to run over there real quick, let me know.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we're removing the victim.
Keep self-command inside of 35 feet, stay away from windows. When they start a history of producing destructive there, as well as live air. So they're every episode in effect, so the Western Franklin County Investigation
warning, 18
Okay.
For Johnson County until 6:45. There's also a flight flood warning except for Western Platte and Northern Leavenworth counties. That is until 11 p.m. There is an urban small street flood advisory for southern Leavenworth and Rhinebeck County until 11:30.
Well, I'm actually broadcasting right now on live stream.
We'll keep an eye on this
Yeah.
outbreak of severe weather across the state.
Livestream.com/Swoboda.
Kansas Public Radio.
Well, I'm storm chasing. There's this severe storm that's heading south through the area, and I'm chasing it. I'm actually kind of getting behind on it. This Johnson County. It's probably going to produce some wind and some high water. Heavy rain. No, it's east of you. I've heard that there's some hail in it, but I haven't seen any yet.
Charlie 14 Nora, daughter, DD175 in Clavera.
You might be able to see it if you look to the east. Yeah, accumulated nimbrons. Oh, you mean cumulonimbus? Must have crossed over to, oh, it's 6 o'clock. The radio station I'm listening to switch over class from music. You know, it's that KPR station in Lawrence. I listen to them during severe weather because they're west of me, and they do a really good job of keeping me updated. Well, see if I can pitch it at work and
you have somebody around shortly.
And
10-4 and
I'll try and tune in
tsunami from
when I
K7
can.
has made its way to 35 and 75th.
418 South. Nature unknown, Quint 2 EMS 2 at 1811.
14 Sonic.
Cover 14, you're en route at 1811. That's 18, you're out. Your beater engine. AMS 18, 2105 North, 40th Street.
Yeah, that keyboard is still there too, by the way. That keyboard is still there. They haven't tossed it out yet.
402 Kansas to the service surrender.
I'm on the phone.
Physical disturbance in Merriam at Sonic 5440 Merriam Drive, pitch 440 Merriam Drive, calling 2231, 2232. Come on around.
2232 en route.
Okay, alright. Talk to you later.
Information, it's in the parking lot. RP says there's a man hitting a woman.
Back 12 Nora at 11465 West 93rd Street, 90 medical operation at 8.